Good day, everybody. So what you're staring at there is a Royal model number 1. Its serial number is P33162, I believe. Yes. And being that that's just over halfway through that first year run, they made some changes. They put round feet on this one, and those turned to gum, so I'll have to be going to the hardware store and getting a few things later on. I was playing with my new Bell & Howell projector, 8mm projector yesterday, and I got motivated to do this. I was going to just keep her on the tray. She had never been off a tray. My hands have 91 years worth of ink on them right now. Anyway, got all motivated, took her off of the case bottom here. First hands to ever do that, and it was just highly evident that I was the first one. They had made some other changes. See the grooves in the wood before they covered it there? They must have changed design, because that looks to me like it should have had some pins. But they changed the design that year in the case, and then they went with those brackets instead and sent her out anyhow. But in sending her out anyhow, they missed a screw. So this brings up wonderments for me, on being that my other Royal was missing a screw as well. So the screw that was missing is actually for the right ribbon cup, where it mounts to this top plate, which is all one piece, here. So behind there is a metal bracket that's threaded, and you want to have a screw holding it here, just as you do on the other side. Now, the screw that I found that works for that, of course, turning to my parts typewriter again and saving another one. My old Remington number 2 was missing a screw, so I stole one off this old Smith Corona to do that. But the one that will fit is the one that came off of there, right there. That one. If you take a screw off right there, if you've got an old Smith Corona parts typewriter lying around, that screw will fit that hole if you're factory missing one too yourself. I wish I could get you a better view of it, but it's right there. You know, it's black on black for you. But in my other Royal that was missing a screw, I ended up confiscating one off something and putting it here. So it makes me wonder, did I catch this guy in the beginning of his career and at the end of his career, and he just had a tendency for this, or does Royal have a tendency for missing screws? You know, I thought I'd put a video out there and ask you all, what kind of factory or missing screws have you all found in your typewriter escapades? I'll put this one back together and it'll shine up nice. This is kind of neat stuff, how they had these wavy. But let me know. Let me know what kind of fun you've had with missing parts, factory or otherwise. Have a good day, everybody. Take care.